Why would I teach a class on graphic design foundations in Canva? Everyone who takes graphic design seriously uses Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, right? That couldn't be farther from the truth. Canva is a newer cloud-based design tool which makes learning design easy. You can focus more on creating layouts and learning basic design principles without having to worry about learning a complicated software. You can develop entire brands using Canva, including logos, social media posts, posters, flyers, advertising, letterheads, and more. There are some limitations when designing in Canva, but I will address how to bypass those throughout the class. Learning Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator should be high on everybody's list, but for anyone wanting to take that first step into learning great design, Canva is the perfect stepping stone. Almost all the designs you'll see in this class were designed only using Canva, so it could be powerful, and I wanted to show you first the basics of Canva before we started to dive in and create designs. So let's get started.